Meaning of distraction.
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 Distraction. Distraction refers to the act of diverting one's attention or focus from a particular task or goal towards something else that is less important or irrelevant. The result of distraction can vary depending on the context and severity of the situation. Mild distractions may lead to a temporary delay in completing a task or making a decision, while severe distractions can cause accidents, errors, or even failure to achieve one's objectives. Overall, distraction can hinder productivity and effectiveness, and it is important to be aware of its impact and strategies to avoid or manage it.